What is the real meaning of prawn in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of prawn dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a prawn in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and sudden spiritual awakening in the coming future, as well as a new opportunity for success in life that will make you confident and successful person in real life. Now number 2, if someone sees buying prawn in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success and prosperity in the coming future. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon with big monetary gain in real life. Now number 3, if someone sees eating prawn in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates easy success in any work project or planning. Now number 4, if someone sees catching prawn in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success and prosperity with a new beginning as well as the ending of life problems soon, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 5, if someone sees a small prawn or many small prawns in a dream, then it indicates many small but important success with monetary gain in real life. Now number 6, if someone sees cooking prawn in a dream, then it indicates new opportunities which are present all around you. But you only need to recognize them as soon as possible to get success in them. So this is the right time to think big to recognize these opportunities very easily. Now number 7, if you see prawns swimming in the clear water in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get some kind of good news as well as good luck, success and prosperity in the coming future. But if you see any prawn struggling in the shallow water or stuck in the water in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution to avoid any kind of loss in real life. Now number 8, if someone sees lots of prawns in a dream, then it indicates an upcoming golden time in which you will get many desired results very easily due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in real life. Now number 9, if someone sees selling prawns in a dream, then it indicates a big monetary gain from a business, job, etc. Or you will get huge success in your professional life very easily. Now number 10, if someone sees receiving prawn from someone in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and easy success in any work, project or planning. Now number 11, if someone sees a big prawn in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates big success with prosperity, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 12, if someone sees dead prawn in the water in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life, or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in real life.